wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Hey, welcome back to another video. It's your boy FatKat, of course. And look at that, man. We got the Hellcat going up on the lift. Hellcat is making a lot more noise than I remember, though. But it is going up on the lift. So you know what that means, boys? He is going to finally put these on right here. Y'all don't know what this is. This is the CATLESS Mids Stainless Works. CATLESS Mids, right? It's gonna go on there, man. We're gonna put this on a Hellcat. Yes, sir. And so we are set up here, man. We're getting ready to do these cats. Again, he's about to go CATLESS Mids, man. Again, he went Stainless Works instead of gutting the cats. I would imagine because you wanted to have your stock cats, right?
Yeah, I wanted to keep them.
So he wanted to keep his stock. You guys know Garage-Driven. If you guys been watching my other videos, there's another way to go about doing this, where you could just do literally take $100 basically by buying the extenders and all that, and pretty much just do it yourself, and you could gut your stock cats. But again, if you do it that way, you can't go back to factory unless you buy some more cats later on down the road. If you need to go back to that setup, back to factory, and put your cats back on. So anyway, so he actually bought Stainless Works, the same ones that I got on my car, but this is the Hellcat. So I'm going to do that, and then you know, then we'll see how it sounds afterwards. You're gonna do a pull afterward, right?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know? We gotta see how it sounds.
Oh.
That's the whole point.
Oh, it is? I thought I was just gonna sit in the shop.
Just sit in the shop with no cat?
Yeah.
So let me go ahead and actually, you know what? This is a good tutorial for y'all, man. So right here, if you guys can see, man, this right here, damn, this thing's hot. He didn't even move it. He just moved it onto the lift. But this is the O2 sensor right here. Obviously, you got one on each side. Boom, you see the other one right there. Oh, with my finger right there. So all it does is you take these bolts off right here, man. You got one on that side, one on top right there, and literally just pull it off, and then this whole thing will come off, man. You take this off right here, this clamp, and this whole piece will come off. And all you do is bolt the other one back in, or put the other one in there, bolt it back up, and you're done. Simple as that, man. Literally probably take you like 20-30 minutes, depending on how long.
How many beers you drink?
Yeah, how many beers you drink, and how long it takes you to take off.
the wrenches.
Right, exactly. Hey, almost killed me. You got, man. I'm about to do workers' comp. They got insurance. So there I go, man. So once he's taking it off, man, I'll show you guys exactly how it comes off and everything else. This is good, 'cause I never got to show you guys on my video, so it'll be good showing you guys on this one. It's pretty much all the same system. By the way, look at Christina over there looking sexy. Woo! obviously you guys know, man, your O2 sensor, you're gonna have, it's gonna be plugged in, man. So make sure you guys don't just, you know, loosen up and rip it down, because you're gonna rip the wire, and then you got more problems on your hands. So
I'll let that cool off.
all right, so there you guys.
Full of water. Sitting.
All right, so he already took off this side, took off these bolts, took off this one. He took off that one over there. Then he took off this one, but this one is the one on top of it. If you guys can see it, it's like in an awkward position right there. So we got to get a wrench and do that one. But he's trying to let these cool down as well, man, because they're super hot. He didn't even move it that much. So they get hot really quick, man. So you guys got to be careful when you guys are doing this. So if you've been driving your car around, like if you drive it to like a shop or something, you're probably gonna have to let it sit up there for an hour or so. Let it cool down a little bit.
Fucking text up there.
I think that should be good though, man, because once this comes out, then you can pull it straight out this way. You just gotta loosen up the clamp. Yeah, it should be good.
Now, just talking about the clamps themselves, though. I feel like they're tacked up there.
It might be, yeah. But you don't gotta, like I said, once this comes out, pull it out this way and that's it.
Well, this one should come out now, or this one should
This
come
one?
out.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, well, be careful with that though.
Yeah, let me get this first. I gotta reach up there to unplug it. It's too hot.
You gotta pull this out first.
I think it's gonna slide in here.
Yeah, it'll slide in more. You're almost there. Damn, this bitch is hot. Actually, yeah, it might.
What if we gotta loosen it back there?
No, you don't gotta do all that. You're almost there. There you go.
You got purple?
Yeah. I just don't like being under here jerking this fucking lift like that. Oh, it's throw the tire machine.
Alright, so theoretically what you could do is you can kind of pull this, like push this back enough where this falls down, and then you can just pull it out. But obviously it's always easier said than done. Oh shit. Chase has entered the building with the good ideas. Boom, there you go. Boom, there goes one. Goddamn Chase.
Every time.
Chase always saved me the day, man.
Why didn't I just unplug it and take it down without trying to loosen it in there?
Yeah, because it's easier to change it from there, or plug it in from there with it on it. You know you don't think of shit.
That's what I'm there for.
I will next time I do one.
You gonna do another one?
Well, I'm sure you're gonna sell me on something.
Is your car next?
No, we're gonna do full exhaust on that one.
I'm gonna sell you on something. And I'm gonna book you on some work. So there I go, man. So both cats are removed, man. You guys see the exhaust right there with the X pipe all the way back over here. Exhaust is gone, or cats are gone, I should say. You got one here. We got to take the other O2 sensor off so you can fit it here on the other one. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's over there. So, oh snake, about to be snap, crackling, popping. Trying to take my shine, my glory, man. That's the only thing. You know why he's doing that? That's the only thing I had on him.
Had is the key.
Had, exactly. And now he's like, okay, I got something on you.
It's gonna be like that.
That's the only thing I had on him.
I thought y'all was boys.
I wonder what these little spacer things are. The little
That's for, oh, the little washers, spacer?
for something else.
Probably depending on whatever your setup is.
Cause they ain't gonna fit on nothing I got.
Well, hell, there's a manual right here.
We don't do that.
How about you look at the manual?
We don't do that.
So you put the spacer on there, literally just screw it on. That's it. Make sure you buy the right one. I forget the part number.
Amazon.
But he bought his on Amazon though, and it works. So you remember what'd you search? You just searched O2 sensor spacer for charger.
No, the link you sent me.
Oh,
I put those numbers in.
okay. All right, so I'm gonna get you guys the part number, so you guys make sure you
What
get
does
the
it
right
say?
one. It might be on here.
Also, if you just look up CEL Eliminator, it works. It'll bring all of them.
Yeah, but there's people on YouTube, man. You got to give them specific links. Like they can't, a lot of people don't know how to search. They don't know how to, type in words. So you got to give them a link so they could go straight to it.
So these little things actually go down in there.
And there's where the damn it ring goes right in
Yeah,
there.
it'll sit in there, and it actually creates that much more distance between the
Maybe we
O2
should put
sensor
one in there.
and the free-flowing pipe.
Maybe we should put one in there.
So that way it thinks it still has caps on it.
Let's put one in there. Let's put them
So he
in.
said the reason why you get a check engine light is for what?
Because
It's still down
if you
in
don't
there.
have this, if you don't have your extender in there, your O2 sensor's just sitting down in here, and it has no restriction. So when your cats usually that are in there, it has restriction. So these extenders move it out. So this makes the car and the computer think that there's still cats in the car. Therefore, it takes it up out of the pipe, so it's not that free-flowing air just straight to the O2 sensor.
There you go.
Well, these are
But that's what
different.
these little bungs are going to create too.
These are different sizes.
Yeah, see, that's where that's going to be way less air going through. That's going to be just about the same, so we probably might as well put that one in there.
Much more easy. We're genius. We're genius.
We did it on this one.
We're geniuses.
All right, man. So you got these extra pipes that come. You just put those there, and you guys can see it's like a little extenders with the clamps. The clamps that come in the box. You put those there. Those are the clamps that already are on the exhaust. So you slide the pipe in, put that extender right there, put the extra clamps there, and boom, you should be good to go. And then you basically just put it in reverse the way you took it out. So
We did it in 5 minutes.
you
Whole
go
job.
you go this way, and then you put it, put the pipe in this way, and then you put it over
No
there.
time.
5 minutes,
Exactly.
almost. Yeah, just about 5 minutes.
I think you gotta pull it out. You gotta pull it out of there.
And boom, man, just like that, the man is catless mid-piped. Kiss your clean tips goodbye.
Negative, Ghost Rider. You gotta drive it. You gotta drive it first.
That's true. Once you drive it, when you drive it once, that's gonna be it. You gotta come back and clean them. To get this cold start for you guys, man. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you wake up a freaking beast.
Huh?
Jesus. Now you can smell it.
It's getting black already.
Told you. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, let me see. I told you.
Bullshit.
Kiss your clean tips goodbye. You have to constantly, every time you come back, you have to clean them. And I don't. That's the reason why mine. But the good thing is, though, well, mine are coated though, so I don't know, maybe that has something to do with it. But when you take that, oh, they already?
I think you could.
Yeah. So if you take that wool to it or Brillo pad, whatever, it comes right off. With some type of solution or some shit.
I'm not gonna drive that bitch home tonight.
But that is it, man. We were gonna do some pulls, whatever, for you guys, but it is getting kind of late, and I gotta check out some of my car real quick. So that is it for this one, man. Hope you guys learned something and how you guys could do these catless mids, man. But now we got a Hellcat catless mid pipe, basically straight pipe. You got the same thing as mine. Resonators on, man. That thing sounds.
And that's it for this one.
Nasty.
That's it for this one. That's it for this one.
And I guess that's it for this one, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. And we'll see you on the next one, man. Later.